Have you ever wondered how to set up extraordinary marketing for your business? Do you often wonder how to promote your business efficiently with email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up impressive email and getting profitable results? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email marketing, an extraordinary marketing solution. Now let's get into it. Email marketing is a form of direct marketing which uses electronic mail as a means of communicating commercial or fundraising messages to an audience. In its broadest sense, every email sent to a potential or current customer could be considered email marketing. Email marketing is, as the name suggests, the use of email in marketing communications. Email marketing is so popular because sending an email is much cheaper than most other forms of communication. Email lets you deliver your message to the people, unlike a website, where the people have to come to your message. Email marketing has proven very successful for those who do it right. Email marketing is especially popular because it can be much cheaper than traditional mail marketing. After all, email does not incur printing or postage fees. This does not mean, however, that email is free. An email marketing campaign may actually incur a number of different kinds of fees. If the company hires someone to design, write copy for, or oversee the emailing in any way, or has a full-time staff member for this type of work, the salary or fee of this individual must be taken into account. Furthermore, there will be a fee if the email addresses are purchased through an email broker. One of the great things about email marketing is that it can reach a wide audience in a short period of time. Furthermore, an email marketing campaign can include a number of successive emails that build upon one another. One of the most common forms of a building email marketing campaign is one that targets a specific upcoming date, such as Christmas, Father's Day, or Memorial Day. If, for example, a furniture store is planning a large Veterans Day sale, they might send out an email to their customers a few weeks in advance announcing the sale. Additional emails the week before and days before the sale might also be sent as reminders to reinforce the first email. Some companies even include special promotion codes and coupons in their emails. One of the disadvantages of email marketing is something called spam. Spam is the word for both tinned meat and email that is sent out to a huge number of people with little discretion. Spam is the email marketing version of carpet bombing. In fact, most email services include spam filters that weed out such emails from the general inboxes of their customers. Email marketing is currently the most commonly used online marketing tool. The reasons are plentiful. Nothing can beat it when it comes to marketing success. Many marketers have attained success using this powerful marketing tool. 1. Global reach. No matter where you are or whom you need to reach, targeted emails pave the way. Borders are no obstacles in email marketing. 2. Lower cost. Costs incurred in designing, executing, testing, sending, and receiving an email is up to 78% less for a run of 5,000 over a paper-based direct mail version. When you add email to your marketing mix, you spend less time, money, and resources than with traditional marketing vehicles like direct mail or print advertising. 3. Interactive. You can innovatively initiate campaigns using graphics, videos, music, quiz, game, or whatever will be of interest to your prospect, to grab his attention and interest immediately. 4. Highly personalized. Email enables you to personalize and greet every person you target. This helps in creating a special bond with the prospects. 5. Round-the-clock marketing. With an email, the audience can understand your offering even when you are out of the office. 6. Measurable results. Special tools are available that accurately measure click-through rate, conversion rate, how a person arrived at your website, and more, to enable you to assess the success of different email campaigns. 7. Targeted marketing. Since prepackaged and custom-built lists are available, you could reach only those who might require your services, solutions, or products without bothering those who do not. You can select each one of your targets based on geography, age, income, spending, and many other parameters. How to attach your list. send an impressive campaign, and weigh results. Tech reporters love to proclaim, with apparently incredible certainty, that email is at the end of its usefulness. In any case, we're willing to bet one take a gander at your inbox is sufficient to demonstrate regardless you have mail. Actually, numerous independent companies are demonstrating a restored enthusiasm for email promotion as an approach to arrive at their clients with significant, customized messages at the perfect time, without requiring consent from the web's inexorably prohibitive guardians. In addition, email has seen reliably solid development in worldwide clients without any indications of backing off. Regardless of whether you're simply beginning with email showcasing or conjuring up your next large crusade, our guide uncovers what email battles work best and how to take advantage of each communication. What is email promoting? Why email showcasing is vital to internet business achievement. Beginning with email showcasing. What is email promoting? Email advertising is the act of sending promoting messages to forthcoming and current clients by means of email so as to sell, teach, or construct steadfastness. Email is a proprietary computerized showcasing channel, that is, the sender completely controls the substance and dissemination, and regularly works best when used to send individual, applicable messages to sectioned arrangements of beneficiaries. Email is a particularly significant instrument in connection to internet business, where it's utilized for sending value-based, limited-time, and lifecycle messages, which we'll cover in more detail beneath. Why email showcasing is vital to internet business achievement. Are the newest guests to your store will stay away forever, except if, that is, you plan something to keep them returning. Building an email rundown and sending convincing communication gives you an approach to hold the traffic you endeavor to win by giving endorsers a motivating force to keep in contact. On the off chance that your online business hasn't set aside the effort to embrace email showcasing, you're likely leaving cash on the table. To demonstrate it, here are 3 motivations to consider utilizing email in your advertising blend. Email gives you a chance to construct continuous client connections. Web crawlers and online networking stages are extraordinary for getting found by future clients, yet email remains the most ideal approach to keep up and fortify existing connections after some time. As indicated by a Nielsen study, 66% of online purchasers like to purchase new items from brands they know about. Email likewise assumes a significant job in empowering a client's subsequent buy and past. Having clients return is significant for some organizations since it keeps their normal expense of procuring a client down. 2. Email is unfathomably powerful at driving deals. A recent report from the DMA found that for each dollar spent on email promotion, organizations can expect a normal return of $32. Obviously, certain organizations and items pair particularly well with email advertising, and returns are never ensured. In any case, throughout the years, comparative research has painted a similar picture. Email is a high-performing channel that as often as possible beats the other options. Furthermore, a 2018 report from Emarsys indicated generally 80% of organizations depend on email as their essential channel for obtaining and maintenance. Email showcasing is generally extraordinary in its capacity to drive the principal deal just as it opens more income from your most important clients. 3. Email can influence the 3 primary development multipliers. Advertiser 𝐥𝐤𝐬 was one of the first to promote the possibility that there are just 3 different ways to develop income: increment the complete number of clients, increment the absolute number of buys per client, by recurrence, or increment the normal request esteem, AOV. Most business visionaries seeking after obtaining silver shot as a rule end up disillusioned and find that gaining clients can rapidly get costly. Email advertising offers a suitable way out of the securing feudal way of life since it can impact every one of the 3 development multipliers simultaneously. Mechanized greeting and relinquished truck messages can expand transformation rates. Ricochet back or win back crusades can expand a client's number of buys. Lifecycle battles and communication can naturally feature high esteem items to the correct clients. An efficient spotlight on every one of the 3 regions will additionally aggravate your outcomes, and that is perhaps the most compelling motivation why it merits making an intentional email advertising procedure when growing an online business. Beginning with email showcasing. Indeed, Even the best email promoting technique starts with picking an email advertising administration, building up an arrangement to create new endorsers, and seeing how to send messages legitimately. Choose an email service provider. The initial phase in beginning with email promoting is to pick email showcasing programming through which you'll start assembling your rundown. There are numerous hardies and financially savvy email promoting devices to look over, so don't get made up for lost time attempting to pick one that is great. You can generally switch suppliers down the line. Rather, pick a well-looked arrangement that meets your requirements, for example, estimating, simplified editors, email formats, and so on. At that point, start messaging and driving deals. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email marketing and extraordinary marketing solution. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.